I'll show you something.
Wait for me.
Come in. Fuck.
It went back. I'm gonna crawl across it. Right, see you.
What?
You sound like he is crazy mad.
Don't fucking...
I think it's...
Fuck off. Lola, fuck off. Lola, fuck off.
Do you think I'll be able to do it?
What?
Do you think I'll be able to walk across it?
Yeah.
Let's follow Harriet. Let's follow you.
Yeah.
Harry, go see that thing I can do.
Be careful now, Ev. Be careful.
This is called the tree challenge.
Be careful, Ev.
Be careful.
Fuck off, Lola. Alright, be careful, Ev. It's dangerous.
Yeah, that is dangerous.
Oh, go over there because I'm going to run off and jump. There.
Are you actually going to go off and jump?
No.
Right. So, that's the finish of episode 1.